Here is some information about charging your Google Pixel 9. So first of all, this phone supports wireless charging. So if you have it, make sure that it's plugged in, and if we're gonna apply our phone to our wireless charging port, it's gonna be working, which is a great thing. However, it's quite slow. You don't need to press anything in your settings. The wireless charging option is just enabled by the default. The second variant is your classic USB-C cable. So plug in one part into your power bank, computer, laptop, power outlet, basically anything that works. Plug in the second part into your USB-C port. Boom, it's working now. Easy as that. However, keep in mind that if you're charging your phone with the computer or maybe from other device, it's gonna be pretty slow. So there is no fast charging option in this phone because it's enabled by the default. Also, with your Google Pixel 9a, you can share the battery with someone if you're gonna open up your settings. Then if you're gonna open up your battery, and in your battery, if you're gonna look at your battery share, you can enable your battery share, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.